Hello, and welcome to our OpenText Migrate and Availability video series. My name is Derek Chapin. I'm a Senior Solutions Consultant at OpenText, specializing in OpenText Migrate and Availability. Today, I'll be discussing the power behind OpenText Migrate and Availability workflow options and the value that it can bring to your organization, specifically around having just one tool for anywhere-to-anywhere migrations. So let's get started. Gone are the days where a migration project was an open and shut case, where all we needed to do was move content from a smaller server to a more powerful server in a different rack. In today's environments, not only are we dealing with a slew of different operating systems and platforms and hypervisors to manage, you could also be going from physical to cloud, physical to VM, VM to physical, VM to cloud, cloud to cloud, and the list goes on. This is what a true any-to-any migration project looks like. And this doesn't even include other migration objects for only moving files and folders to a new OS or all those SQL modernization projects that we have out there. If you're not careful, your team can easily be burdened with a bunch of different migration tools depending on what the project demands. And that is where OpenText Migrate comes into play. We have all the tools you'll need to handle any migration project wrapped up into one application. So let's actually see what I'm talking about. When building a migration workflow within OpenText Migrate, it immediately gets to work offering you the jobs that are available for you to set up. From moving files and folders to a newer OS environment or doing a full server migration. The same tool can also set up SQL modernization projects where you can migrate your SQL databases to an upgraded OS and/or newer SQL Server version. And it also has specialized workflows for the full server jobs moving to Hyper-V or ESX environment. Depending on which workflow you pick, OpenText Migrate will trigger the slew of powerful options for that workflow, essentially stepping you through a successful journey of defining and setting up the workflow that is needed. You train your team on one tool, OpenText Migrate, and then the tool will take care of the rest. With OpenText Migrate and Availability, you only need one tool to provide you with the broad OS support and the extensive platform compatibility in order to have a successful anywhere-to-anywhere migration. Thank you for your time. Again, my name is Derek Chapin, and I'm here to help you with your migration from anywhere to anywhere. To learn more about what OpenText Migrate and Availability can do for your business, email us at igc_sales@opentext.com.